yeah, thanks for everybody who came out today to watch presentations. That's super nice of you because everyone's got busy lives. So I'm Alex. I'm part of the web dev cohort here at Ironhack. And I wanted to make a application with the React technology framework. Basically like a music streaming app. That's what I wanted to accomplish. So briefly about me. So I hail from San Diego, California. So I like nice weather, apparently, even though it is very humid here. I'm also a huge fan of Mexican food. That is definitely tied to San Diego. Mexican food is dime a dozen out there. It's everywhere. It's very good. I've always loved organizing music. Honestly, I wouldn't be able to tell you why. I like it. I like making playlists and various different, I don't know, like different experiences, different playlists, and just experimenting. So I guess this was a little out of order, but some of the challenges with using React and making the application, definitely code organization with the various parts of React. It can be a little tough to visualize what you're working on and where it's coming from, and then how it connects to like behind the scenes, as devs call the back end. It can be tricky, so that's definitely a difficult part. Also, tracking errors, knowing what the errors mean, asking for help if needed. Also getting, you can progress in one area, and then unfortunately, you go back in another area. That can be very frustrating. So yeah, those are some of the challenges I faced. So the reason is, again, related to enjoying music so much. I'm big on these apps. I use all three, actually. And actually, from using them, I've noticed there's differences to all of them, even though you might think, well, they all do the same thing. They play music. Some of their libraries are different, but I just listed some basic pros and cons. Like, Spotify and Apple Music are clearly the most well-known. Spotify doesn't have, like, the best audio quality. Apple Music has like a different, like, say, look, UI. Tidal is less known, but they have, like, according to them, more premium audio quality. They're also more expensive. So they all have pros and cons. So I think there could be like a niche in that market, possibly an opening for another kind of app. So let's see. Okay, so one of my goals was to get the Spotify API, which is a database of music or audio files that Spotify provides for web developers in order to be able to use and make use of it in all sorts of very interesting ways. Wasn't able to get it incorporated correctly, unfortunately, but I would like to. But data visualization, like for example, one developer was able to track how modern artists today have all been influenced by Elvis. And it was this very cool little chart. So that's just one random example. Of course, many, many uses from that API. So now I'm going to show you guys. So it's Audiofy. All right, let's see here. Okay, so there is the landing page. So we have the sign up section. So we'll just make a basic user. We'll just do 10. Let's see here. So once you sign up, you have access to able to look at just the various entries in the playlist. I also that's another opportunity, like maybe get a little more creative. But like I thought of album lists as maybe like an alternative where you have you play one song randomly from albums of your choice. Not the most exciting, I know, but it's a alternative to the standard playlist. So yeah, this is the playlist. This is it would be the main list of all the playlists that a user has. Album list has the same look, I guess, same layout, I should say. So, and then to add a new playlist, you would just go down here, and this would be added to the index of playlists. and the style has left a little to be desired, for sure. So that's also an opportunity. But one main thing about React people don't know about it, it's really cool because with other sites, other technologies, with web dev, sometimes when you you want to make changes on a website, it makes the whole website refresh. And some people may not notice that, but React, it's all instant and it's all within the same page. So it's a very, very cool technology. It's also very, very deep and difficult to understand for some people. But yeah, that is basically my Audiofy app. Thank you.